Hello, today we're working on a Bernina 1006 sewing machine, and this machine has a problem with the stitch function in all modes in that it skips a stitch, or skips quite a few stitches. The cause for this is a worn out hook, and if you look at the tip right there of that pointed hook, you'll see that that's kind of bent and worn out. What happens is that hook passes to the rear of the needle as the needle dips down, scooping up the thread and creating your stitch. So when that wears out, it doesn't pass close enough to the needle to grab the thread and skips the stitch. To replace the hook on this machine, it's quite simple. Just open the bobbin door, push the tab here to release this tray, fold the tray down. I've already installed the new hook. That's how it comes in and out, and you can see the difference when we compare them. You can see there how much difference the tip of that hook looks from the old worn out hook. So with the new hook in place, this machine now sews perfect. Let's see if I can do this with one hand and hold the camera at the same time. Snap the tray in place, and you're back in business with a machine that sews perfectly. So if you've got a Bernina or other machine that doesn't sew right, I hope this helps you out.